Zimbabwean preacher Passion Java, born Paganai Java, has announced that he has divorced his wife, Lily, bringing their marriage to an official end. Sarapena mashoko panhau yangutsviriridza aiwa yaPassion Java pamwechete naLily is American wife. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timuda panapa mubranyi pamuchinzi mixed sentiments over Passion Java divorce. In a statement released on Tuesday, Java confirmed the separation and said the decision was reached amicably. In course, the moment serves to inform our partners, spiritual children, and all meeting Christians around the world that Lily and I have officially dissolved our marriage, he said. He emphasized that the decision was carefully considered. This decision was not made lightly, but with maturity, understanding, and peace. Though marriage has come to an end, we remain friends and committed partners in raising our three beautiful children. Java assured followers that both parents would remain actively involved in their children's lives. We are both fully involved in their lives and will continue to cooperate with love, respect, and unity. Family remains a priority to me. Divorce does not change my responsibility or dedication, as a father said. He added that their children would continue to receive full support from both parents. Our children will continue to receive the presence, support, and guidance they deserve from both parents. The preacher also noted that both he and Lily remain committed to their individual spiritual callings. We are also deeply committed to our separate callings God has placed upon our lives. This new season allows us to walk in these callings separately with clarity and purpose while maintaining peace and maturity and mutual respect. Social media reacts. Reactions on social media have been strongly mixed, with some users expressing sympathy and others using the announcement to criticize Java's public image and political association. One social media user wrote, "Sad for the kids, but can we talk about how he's been causing up to ZANU-PF? Some of us can separate the man from his politics." Another observer said, "Respect to them for cooperating, but don't act wholly when you've been defending those in power who hate everyday people." A third user added, "Divorce is hard, but let's not forget how he supports the ruling party and criticize anyone asking for accountability." Ndoma developments ari kubuda panguva ino. Pina comment section medu dzafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechirwere ichi. So unsubscribe or like chitaona bell icon.